Justices, I request the Land President of the Bar Association, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to speak on behalf of legal fraternity.
My Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakur ji, Justice G. Narendra ji, Honorable Judges of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Registrars of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Advocate General Dammalapati Srinivas Garu, Deputy Solicitor General Ponna Rao, Lakshmi Narayana, Public Prosecutor of the State of Andhra Pradesh, Additional Advocate General E. Samsev Pratap, Senior Advocates, Members of the Bar, family members of the Justice Narendra. Today we gather to bid farewell to Honorable Sri Justice Guhanathan Narendra Garu, who has been appointed as Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court. This occasion is a bittersweet moment for all the members of the Andhra Pradesh High Court Advocates Association. While we celebrate this well-deserved elevation, we cannot help but feel the void his departure will create in our court. Justice G. Narendra Garu was born on 10th January 1964, enrolled as an advocate on 23rd August 1989 in Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, and later he got transferred his name to the rolls of the Karnataka State Bar Council. Appointed as Additional Judge of Karnataka High Court on 2nd January 2015 and as Permanent Judge on 30th December 2017, transferred to High Court of Andhra Pradesh and assumed charge as Judge of this Honorable Court on 30th October 2023. Justice Narendra Garu, though hailing from Karnataka, has truly become one of us. He has seamlessly blended into the fabric of this court and earned a special place in the hearts of every advocate who has had the privilege of appearing before him and litigant too. His demeanor in court, though serious at first glance, is filled with a warmth and wit that makes every proceeding in his courtroom a learning experience. When I sat down to prepare my thoughts for a day, I was surrounded by young members of our association, eager to share their admiration for Justice Narendra. Without exception, they spoke of the inspiring atmosphere of his courtroom. They described how he effortlessly waves references to the latest judgment and Supreme Court rulings into his discussions, making every moment in his court an educational experience. His friendly aura, combined with an unwavering sense of fairness, ensures that everyone feels heard, valued, and respected. Justice Narendra Garu is more than a judge. He is a mentor, a guide, and a role model. He has taught us many lessons, not just about the law, but about the values and the definite a good judge had compassionate human being. One particular lesson that resonates deeply with all of us is not to use the phrase obtain orders, reminding us of the decorum that the practice of law demands. To the young advocates, Justice Narendra Garu has been a beacon of inspiration, someone to emulate not only in the depth of legal knowledge, but also in the grace with which he conducts himself. To the senior members of the bar, he has been a peer who commands respect through his humility and wisdom. As your Lordship embark on this new chapter as Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court, we are confident that your wit, intelligence, kindness and compassion will shine even brighter. On behalf of the Andhra Pradesh High Court Advocates Association, I extend our heartfelt gratitude for your exceptional service and our best wishes for your journey ahead. Thank you, sir, for being an outstanding role model and a true friend of the bar. Uttarakhand is indeed fortunate to welcome a Chief Justice of your caliber and character. May your tenure as Chief Justice be as remarkable as the legacy you leave behind here. Thank you.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request the Land Deputy Solicitor General, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to speak for the legal fraternity.
My Lords, Honorable Chief Justice, my Lords, Honorable Justice G. Narendra, and other judges,